behalf of the city government of Victorias, under the, of course, administration of Mayor Javi Benitez, I would like to welcome everyone to the launching of the Victorias City History Book, 1845-1945. The writing of the history of Victorias is a very significant milestone in the story of Victorias. For the first time, our history prior to the 1876 creation of the town was chronologically written through an engaging narrative based on substantial research and a broad range of historical basis and analysis by no less than, and we are very lucky to have the renowned historian who have written a number of notable books, including The History of Negros Occidental, editions 1 and 2, 1992 and 2003 respectively, and I am referring to no less than Mr. Modesto Isaon. On behalf of the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Victorias, I would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations and at the same time gratitude to you for writing the history of Victorias. The pages of the book will teach us the journey of our beloved city from the parokya of Tukgagwan, established in 1723, to Pueblo of Tukgagwan, under the mother town of Sarabia, now known as Magalona, and Barrio of Toreno, or particularly known as Barrio of Malihao, still under our mother town Sarabia, to the creation of the Pueblo de Nuestra Señora de las Victorias, up to the city we all love and know today as Victorias City. I therefore invite you all to discover the greatness of the history hidden in the pages of this book. As a lover of the history of Victorias, an advocate and a protector of its preservation and upliftment, I am humbled by this privilege to be part of the team that processed this book, and for the honor accorded to write the introduction of this book, under, of course, the guidance of the great historian, Mr. Modesto Isaon. This book is written because it needs to be written right. I would like also to express my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation to Mayor Javier Miguel L. Benitez for making me a part of the team that prepared this book. And I would like to congratulate Mayor for his unprecedented efforts towards the preservation of our history, culture, and heritage in Victorias City. As our leader, Mayor Javi, your drive and enthusiasm inspire us to work harder for the betterment of our community. This book is for all to read and learn from, for as they say, it is important to know the past so that we can better prepare for our future. Also today, not only that we launch a book, but we also celebrate a very significant day in the history of Victorias. Because on this day, 148 years ago, on May 23, 1876, this town that we all know now as Victorias City, then known as Pueblo de Nuestra Señora de las Victorias, was created by virtue of a decree issued by a Spanish Governor General of the Philippines based in Manila, and for the first time, let his name be spoken and heard of in Victorias City. He was Don Jose Malcampo. He served as Governor General of the Philippines from 1874 up to 1877, and I saw his actual signature in the records about the creation of Victorias in the annals of the National Archives of the Philippines. You will see his portrait in this book. On November 21, 2022, the Sangguniang Panlungsod Victorias, under the leadership of our presiding officer, Honorable June B. Bantug, enacted City Ordinance number 2022-32, which recognizes May 23, 1876 as the official day of the creation of the town of Nuestra Señora de las Victorias. The same ordinance was approved by the Honorable Mayor Javier Miguel L. Benitez on November 28, 2022. So again, congratulations to everyone. To God be all the glory. Ngayon aga sa kanila.
Thank you very much, for your opinion, for your inspiring words, and for welcoming everyone to today's book launch.